Bitcoin is sitting at 76,000. But that's not the thing. That's not the thing we want to be looking at. Bitcoin's making nobody rich. Let's look at Casper. Where the flip's my face gone? Slap that on float on top now, bruv. There we go. If we look at Casper, Casper has recovered massively from yesterday. That is what we like to see. Look at that beautiful candle. 12.5 cents, looking like it's back in the game. I need a pullback though. I need a pullback. I want more. More, more, more. More, more, more. It still likes to hold this sort of zone right here, right at the bottom. When Bitcoin at 49k, 12.5 cents was the low. So we're currently retesting that low at the moment. And it's looking quite juicy. A KRC20 token's back in the game. Or are we still looking at a correction? These will be back in the game once it starts hitting all-time highs again. And then they're going to go off. They're going to go crazy, bro. Because currently I think, still looking at these, still looking at an alright place to buy, depending on which ones you do. You need to do extreme research into this. I'm not going to lie, I haven't done much research. And I don't really trust many of them. Because I don't know who owns them. I don't know the developers. I think they're risky, sketchy. I think it's better off trading leverage on Kaspa, even though I wouldn't recommend leverage trading. It's stupid. You can get liquidated. Don't be silly. Just Kaspa in general, holding it. Its whole blockchain's going to go up anyway. It's a fairly new token. It's probably going to fly. Are we around this point here? Are we pre-altcoin season? Last time we had one, slowly went up. Higher highs. Higher highs. Correct a little bit. Boom, blast off. Hopefully. What's Fear and Greed saying? 75 in greed. Liquidation levels. All I'm doing looking at this is looking at it because it just looks nice. Holy, we got equal amount on the one day. Long and short. I'm surprised Bitcoin ain't gone down, you know. It's looking hella strong. Hella strong. Casper's up 11% by the way today. More longs on the 7-day and on the 30-day as well. I like the way they've set this up, you know. Looking beautiful. Since ETH looks so good, I will start accumulating it heavily. Easy 10 to 20x in my opinion. Bitcoin macro outlook. October 18th, 2024. Bitcoin floor increases dramatically and should hold all declines to a minimum. From here, we look to work higher with pockets of very bullish moves. November 3, Bitcoin floor increases dramatically again. November 3. This is where I see the potential for a very bullish move higher beginning. Week of November 8th. Potential for a scale lower but should hold the floor. November 14th begin a very large period of bullish sideways rotation. December 5th, 3 days peak prices at new highs. From these peak prices I believe that we crash lower from where this large rally began. Should take about 28 days to destroy all the gains. Bullish sideways rotation. Is 5th of December peak for market also? This guy doesn't know the date. Come on. It's just a nice outlook. Why are people so tapped? Hold Casper and wait. Facts. Be like Big G here with his cowboy hat on. The entire base Mimiko is only 1.6 billion. Brett makes 924 million base grows. Brett skyrockets. There has never been an easier trade in the history of crypto. I'm not going to lie. If you want to play it safe, you want to get an easy 10x, Brett is the play. Brett is the play because it's definitely going up. It's going to get the exchanges. It's going to get Coinbase. And also, it's going to be top 10. It's top 10 currently, and it's only on the base ecosystem. What's Tate saying? BTC all-time high doesn't make headlines anymore. There's no emotional reaction and nobody cares. This is a good thing. This is only up territory. There's no shock or awe. Expectation is belief. We know it will break all-time high. We do not care. Higher Valhalla. They're all talking, if you can't hold, you won't be rich. As Bitcoin makes successive new all-time highs, apply proper risk management. There will be many dips and highs in the future. Make sure you can handle them. Control your greed. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and ape slowly. Banana zone. Yo, the less you check the charts, the better you will do. The majority of the gains will come from minority of all daily candles. Happens in a very quick amount of time. The bull run and Bitcoin moves in periods. It moves downwards and sideways for the majority of the time, and when it moves up, it happens over a few months max. That's where all the gains are made. Cash looks healthy. If this is the local bottom, it's been a healthy pullback. Mexi can't manipulate the price forever. When the sellers run out, price can only go up. We've hit 0.12 Cash price. Is this the greatest comeback in human history? Is this going to be the greatest comeback? It's going to be crazy, I know that. Generational run. Today I withdrew whatever outstanding cash I had on Mexi. I urge you all to do the same. It's time to revoke Mexi humpback status. Not just Kaspa though. Flipping heck, he's got loads of it. 433,000. Man is loaded. What the flip? But listen, any exchange you can't trust it, hold it. If it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. Don't be silly now. The war for crypto dominance has begun. Join the Omikami token legion armed with Kami and conquer the markets. Don't surrender to mediocre gains. Fight for financial freedom. You're not ready for what is coming. Say it with me. F Binance, F Coinbase, F Kraken, and F off to shady exchange Mexi. We back, baby. Ethereum is back. What did he actually finish off by saying? I'm riding Cast to zero. No, you ain't. We back, baby. Young people are buying memes. Institutions will follow the young people as they always do. Memes over real estate. That's facts! I speak facts! 4 deals have been monitored and will be offered to everyone, God willing. Strong currencies that are optimistic about achieving something beautiful. Your financial management is your responsibility in dealing with any deals presented to me. But the thing that is not disputed is that you do not put all of your capital into one. Also, do not have a large number of currencies so as not to scatter the capital. This is very important information, you know. You don't want one because you can get smoked if that goes down. But you don't want about 20 because that's too much management. Way too much. Even for myself, I had like 20, 30. Forget that. Keep it to 5, 10 max. Even 10's too much personally for me. Quiet day for BTC. The nearest micro support is located between 72,800 and 75,097. He's got boxes lower though, which I do not like at all. So basically, this guy's looking at Ethereum saying that it might bounce off certain levels, such as 2,800-ish and about 2,900-ish. And corrections are necessary and needed in bull markets, especially for Ethereum as of right now. A pullback could be a great opportunity to enter because I think Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin at this stage of the cycle because it usually does. So the probabilities are there. Never in history have whales bought so much Bitcoin. Are you ready enough for this cycle? Bitcoin 76k, Ethereum 3k, Solana $200. Is this a bull market? Of course it is. Who would have thought? When Bitcoin was at 15k, we'd see 76k. Look at Ethereum. This is what Ethereum's doing. Flipping Undertaker, bro. Who comes up with this? Who comes up with this garbage, bro? That's different. Holy. Bro, you can't make this stuff up, man. Bro's gonna make me read something today, you know. 64 billion or nothing, numerical meaning. 64 is a perfect square and a perfect cube. It is also an even number. Binary code. In computing, 64 is significant as it represents 2 to the 6, meaning it is the base for many 64-bit systems in modern computers, such as 64-bit processors and operating systems. I think you're deep in it a bit, mate. Symbolic and spiritual meaning. Numerology, 64 can be reduced to a single-digit number. 1, 6 plus 4 equals 10, 1 plus 0 equals 1. The number 1 is often associated with new beginnings, independence, leadership and individuality. So 64 can signify new opportunities and take an initiative towards personal growth or leadership. Chinese I Ching, the Book of Changes. The I Ching is an ancient divination text that uses hexagrams made up of lines to represent different elements of life. 64th hexagram is Wei, which means not yet fulfilled or before completion. It represents the idea of a situation still in progress or a time of uncertainty and preparation. Okay, but all I care about is my bags going up. A chessboard has 64 squares, so the number 64 is often associated with the game of chess strategy and intellectual pursuit. If he's come up with all this just based on this guy has more of a brain than the majority, which means it probably is going to go up. That's how I'm looking at it. Music there, 64 beats in some traditional musical structures in certain cultures, making it significant in music theory. In science and technology, 64 codons, genetics. In general, 64 is often a symbol of completion, wholeness, potential, or progress, depending on how it's applied. It can represent a stage that is almost complete but still in process, a new beginning in numerology, or be associated with complex systems like computing, genetics, or gaming. A sensitive number for China. That's crazy, bro. Deployed troops, 64 billion. All I care about is that one number, 64 billion. That's all we got to go to, bro. 31 out of 37 altcoins I've followed have outperformed BTC this week. What the actual F are you talking about? As much as I'm happy to see Bitcoin above 77, equally I'm sad for alts not picking up. It's usually a bad sign. And he was like, nah, G, what the hell are you talking about? What is he talking about? Genuinely. BTC dominance is topped. This is the key, and if you don't know what that means, you're not paying attention. It's so simple. This is powerful for us because when BTC dominance falls, cash flows into altcoins, more volume and demand flow into alts. Huge gains. Alts are primed to outperform. Retail and fresh money ready to pour in. This setup is exactly what you want for the biggest returns. Get ready. This is just the beginning. All might army of mighty holders, unstoppable force of investors, fueled by a revolutionary spirit, is taking the crypto world by storm. Don't get left behind. Omikami and Ryujin and be part of the movement that will shake the crypto world. I've got some. I'm going to get more on the correction hopefully with Omikami because I think currently it's down, bro. It would have been a good day to buy than me buying on the other day. Because look at that, it's kind of down. If this comes down a little bit further, I'm going to have to pack my bags a bit more. What happens next will blow your mind. The show hasn't begun. Mind-bending gains are upon us, do you believe? From Mt. Gox, China bans, hacks, FTX, Luna, and much more. The bull cannot be killed. Long live Bitcoin. See you at 100k. All I wish and hope this doesn't come true for Bitcoin. Back to 50k. Bro, the markets will bleed. Kaspa looked dead and buried yesterday, and now we pump in. Have the Tier 1 exchanges packed the bags? If they have, we know where Kaspa is going. It's flying, bro. Compared to yesterday, yesterday looked dead. No risk, no Bugatti. Cash has lost nearly all of its purchasing power. See why BlackRock is going all in on Bitcoin. You can listen to your uncle at Thanksgiving with his 401k and hope for social security, or follow the largest asset manager in the world in a flight for safety. If this is your first crypto cycle, your plan is simple. Get rich, retire your parents, bless your friends with life-changing opportunities in that order. Just in, Grayscale plans a reverse split for his Bitcoin and Ethereum mini trust ETFs. Meme coin mood, bro. Cashola. Cashola. And the big G himself is talking. Yeah, I de-risked before the election. I sold all my fiat for Bitcoin. I sold all my fiat for meme coins. We are not the same. Yo, that's mad. I actually have. I made a massive mistake in the first semi-altcoin season around March 2024. Bought utility tokens like the ones you see below. I made money, but nowhere near the amount I could have made on meme coins. The pumps meme coins had were outrageous, and that's why I've adapted. You have to adapt, or you get left behind. ETF Bitcoin versus gold ETF in the first year, the inflows are crazy. Breaking Ethereum just flipped Bank of America. Wow. People are trusting Ethereum, not even Bitcoin, Ethereum more than the Bank of America. So you guys think Elon will use some of his 300 billion to buy Dodge? If he's posting about it, probably. Vanek predicts 300k for Bitcoin. That's absurd and straight up stupid. If they start telling you this is time to sell, that's facts, bro. 300k. Even if it goes to 300k, you still got to be careful and take some profits on the way. Come on, you can't be an idiot and just hold that. Because you don't know when it's going to go down. Think less, buy more. Meme coin season. Kaspa at $10 is an 86x from here. Position yourself. This is the most innovative blockchain after Bitcoin. Facts. Redo is going to break the chart. You are not going to believe your eyes. I actually made a mistake not buying more at 17 cents. Bro, it's breaking the chart, man. Early Bitcoin Wyckoff distribution predictions. May 2025, September 2025. He thinks it's going to be a double top. We might not get a double top. We might get a single top, though. Risky, bro. Flipping Ethereum at 3k. Golden cross on Kaspa. I'll buy as much cash as you have right now at $10. Sell me all you want, then F off. I'm with J3, bro. The Wyckoff distribution for beginners. Damn, that's mental, bro. Accumulation, markup distribution, markdown, reaccumulation. So he thinks it's gonna fly. Simple as that, bro. If we have a little look at what Kiyosaki's saying. So, firstly, Ash Crypto saying biggest stable inflow, stablecoin. Yesterday, Binance Coinbase received 9.3 billion inflow of stablecoins. It's the biggest single day inflow in almost 2 years. More stablecoins inflow simply means more buying power, which results in higher prices. Giga bullish. That's mental, bro. That is crazy, the amount of money that's coming into crypto. Words and thoughts of a poor person. Bitcoin costs 76k, too expensive. I'll wait till the price goes down. Gold is 2600, that's too expensive. Silver is 32, too expensive. Prices will come down, but prices alone don't make you rich. Ultimately, what makes a rich person rich is how many coins or ounces a person has in their control. Started buying silver at $1 an ounce. Now I have thousands of ounces. I keep buying at $32 an ounce. This is true for gold and Bitcoin. I bought my first Bitcoin at 6k and I continue to acquire at 76k. Remember, while price per coin is important, ultimately it's number of coins, gold, silver, or Bitcoin that are yours that count more importantly than the price per coin. Keep trading fake money for real money and you'll get richer. Good luck. I wish I'd bought Bitcoin at $10 per coin, but I didn't. I started buying at 6k and I'm glad I did. Now I own 73. A year from now, I tend to own 100 regardless of the price. I own a lot of income producing real estate. I own gold producing mines, and I save my profits in Bitcoin, gold, and silver, real money. I too wish Bitcoin was back at $10 a coin, but wishing has never made poor people richer. Take care. That's crazy, but true.